MLS is our hub. It stands for Multiple Listing Service. As agents, Bright MLS in our greater Philadelphia area here is the second largest MLS in the country. Fun fact, it's pretty well built. You can do a ton of stuff with it, including scheduling showings, running comps, anything property related, pulling from public records, pulling market statistics. That's in Bright MLS. That's where you're going to go for it. So it's your last step, in my opinion, to becoming an agent. At this point, when you're in Bright, then you have a client that comes to you, and we can get through it. We can get through a transaction. We can handle anything at that point. So once you paid for Nexus and you got your NRDS number, you can go to brightmls.com, bookmark it. You're going to be here hopefully every day for the rest of your life. Then click on Join here. Join now. You're an agent. Put your license number in. Okay, that's the reference number on your real estate license. Can't find your license number? Go back to that 90-day playbook and scroll up and search for your license. There's a link right here to search for it, or Google NJ Real Estate Licensee, look up, and you can find it that way. So going back into Bright, license number, your expiration date is also on the license, but it's the June 30th of even or odd years. I think it's odd. It's odd. June 30th of odd years. So your license expiration date, it's June 22nd, 2022. If you just got licensed today, it would be June 30th, 2023. If if it's 2023 when you watch this, then it's 2025, et cetera, et cetera. June 30th, 2023. License date, New Jersey, of course. I don't know if I will be able to do 0725 0630 2023. New Jersey. Okay. All right. Broker code is 55528. NRDS number. Put your NRDS number in there, and you can start typing for Nexus Association of Realtors. That's what it is. And then you can hit continue, and you should be able to continue through the prompts here using your NRDS number, which I just don't know offhand. But remember, you don't know your NRDS number, you can come right back to the 90-day playbook, and you can scroll up and you can go right here. What is my NRDS lookup? Right here, click on Find My Member ID, and you can easily find your NRDS number. Throw it in here so you don't forget it. Throw your license number on here so you don't forget that. So once you go through the prompts, you'll be able to submit your application. Then the office needs to approve it. If it's during business hours, it's going to happen like that. And you will be into Bright MLS. You'll then get an email where you can go on and pay for Bright. So looking back at those fees, you're going to have to pay your Bright MLS one-time fee, and then your quarterly payment, and then you're billed every quarter for Bright MLS. Then you should join Supra, which is another video for that. You just want to pay to be able to open a Supra lockbox in case you stumble upon one on somebody's listing. Pretty common around here. So joining Bright is your last big hit for fee, and then you pay every quarter for that, and you pay Nexus and KW ongoing. So once you're in Bright, you're good to go, and you're good to sell some houses. So start coming to the trainings. At this point, if you move down your 90-day playbook, there's lots more stuff to see and to learn now. Go through the 7 steps and attend a Pro Coach orientation. So reach out to me, your coach, and shoot me a text. Let's get you on a call here so we can get you into being an agent, doing open houses, getting all that stuff up and running and started. I just ask that you please make sure you read these couple things here. The new agent questionnaire at the time I'm writing this video isn't done. So if you click on it and it's not there, then don't worry about completing it. But if it's there, please do it. And then number 7 is super important. Zoom is here. It is here to stay, unfortunately. So please, I implore you, download Zoom, learn how to use it. There's a little video right here that shows you just the very basic things on what you should learn how to do, which includes sharing your screen. If you can imagine, a lot of things happen on the computer now. So when we have a transaction, or you need to review a file, or we want to look at your people in command, or you want to do something, I want to be able to see your screen just like you can see mine right now, how I'm sharing my screen. You do that through Zoom, so we really want you to be able to do that so that when we get on our calls, you have no problem getting on. You've already gone through the little hurdles to be able to do that in Zoom, so we don't have to spend our entire call getting on to just having your screen shared. So it's here. It does have its perks. It absolutely has its downsides. That's why if you look at our calendar, so much of what we do is in person. But of course, there are times when we need Zoom as well. So looking forward to getting you in Bright and getting you selling some houses.